Author and theme. The story is written by Ruskin Bond, a famous Indian author. It talks about the importance of trees, nature, and how humans should live in harmony with the environment. Main character. The narrator, Ruskin Bond himself, recalls his grandfather's love for trees and nature. Grandfather's belief. He believed that humans destroyed forests, so they should now plant more trees. He thought trees could walk and come closer to people who loved them. Planting trees. Grandfather planted many trees in the garden, field, and even forest. He also inspired the narrator, his grandson, and others to do the same. Animals and birds returned. As the number of trees grew, birds, insects, and animals came back to live there. Nature began to thrive once again. Trees seemed to walk. Over the years, so many trees had grown that the narrator felt the forest had come to the house, just like grandfather said. It looked like the trees had walked back to live with humans. Message. The story teaches us to love and protect nature. If we care for the environment, it will come back and care for us.